Hi, so hopefully you already watched my first video about why I Sporcle. So in this one I want to tell you exactly how I make mine. Now I make mine, 99% of them I make them true-false. So I'm going to explain to you why I make them true-false and tell you how to make a true-false quiz. And if you decide you want to make a different kind of quiz, open-ended or fill in the blank, there's a lot of other videos out there that will tell you that. But this is how to make a true-false Sporcle, which I think are the most successful. Now let me tell you why I think they're the most successful. Because you're going to see you could do a study guide where they have to fill in the blank, but then they have to spell the word right. And if they spell the word wrong, it gets frustrating for them. The second reason I use true-false is because they have to hit one letter, T or an F. And by keeping the pace moving fast, they can hit T and F. It allows them to kind of do it quickly. They can do it more often. And it becomes less boring than typing the word. It increases the pace, which makes it a whole lot more exciting. And the third reason that I always do true-false is, as you're going to see, I always put a true option and a false option, which I think ends up creating a higher level thinking because you have two questions that look really, really similar and they really have to analyze it a whole lot more. So I found I understand it more when I'm able to put both types of questions. So let me show you exactly how to make a true-false quiz so you can make your own. So here we go. So at this point, hopefully you've created an account. You just kind of create an account and you log in and it should take you to the home page. Once you're there, you click create. And so you can make a quiz about whatever you want. So I always use just regular old create a Sporcle quiz. And let's just call this one, I don't know, blood. It'll show you all the ones that have to do with blood, but I would just then hit create. So I'm going to make a quiz about blood. So the first thing I'll show you right now is there's 4 check boxes you have to check off in order for a true-false quiz to work. And you can experiment and see what happens if you don't check them off, or just kind of trust me. So the first, you have to hit this one, accept single answers. Then you have to do bonus answers become wrong answers. And then this one, force answers in order, and then randomize the answers. So those are the 4 boxes I clicked. So just click those boxes and then hit save. Now you're all set up for your true-false. And so what you're going to do is just go over to your data over here. And then let's just put in 10 rows for now. Add 10 rows. And for this, it's basically this is your question and this is your answer. So let me just kind of show you. So I'd say blood is red. And that would be true. And then what you need to do is make sure that if they put false, it marks it wrong. So you copy, you paste, blood is red, and you put false, you want it to mark wrong, and the system for Sporcle is you put EE, not sure why. So now when they hit false, it'll mark it wrong, and true, it'll say it's right. And then like I said, I would do blood is blue. And since that's false, I'd put that as the false answer, copy that, blood is blue. I want to make sure it gets marked wrong if they put true, and EE, and you can kind of continue that process along the way. So that's how simple it is to make a Sporcle. Question and answer, and these little E's and stuff will make sure that it is true-false. So let's test it out and see how our quiz looked and see if I did it all right. So test the quiz. We got 2 questions. It says blood is blue, so let's put that as false so we get it right. You put it correct, it'll say right there. Blood is red, we know it's true, but let's put the wrong answer false. You put in false, and it'll come out red to tell you got the answer wrong. And ta-da, I got 50%. That's it, true, false. Not that hard. And like I said, there's a whole lot of reasons I do. I didn't used to do true false, but now for 3 or 4 years now, that's all I do. And like I said, test out whatever you want. But that's what I found to be the most efficient system. And hopefully that helps you make a true false quiz in Sporcle.